Thomson Mayor Benji Cranford found not guilty by a jury just in the last few hours. The verdict comes after he took the stand in his own trial this afternoon.
Discussion about you placing the bottle on the ground in an attempt to have the inmates who were down the road to come and get it. I want you to tell the jury, was that your intent?
No, it was not my intent.
We've been on this story since our cameras were there as Cranford was arrested by the GBI in August. The state accused Cranford of buying liquor and placing it in the work path of state prisoners from the Jefferson County Correctional Institute. After a 2-day trial, it took the jury less than an hour to come back with their verdict, finding Cranford not guilty on charges of furnishing prohibited items to inmates and criminal attempt to commit a felony. Your Sydney Hood joins us live from the McDuffie County Courthouse in Sydney. You got a chance to speak with Cranford following the verdict.
Right. Mayor Cranford walked out of that courthouse today with his attorneys by his side, showing a sigh of relief on his face and giving a thumbs up, signaling that he is satisfied with the way things turned out today. Now, like you mentioned, it took the jury less than an hour to come back, and even during that time, the jury requested to come back into the courtroom to review the surveillance video from Rempe's store. That video has been the centerpiece of this case as it was played multiple times for the jury to watch. The jury had that to consider, as well as other pieces of evidence, including still photos from the surveillance video, photos of the bottles of alcohol Cranford purchased, and Cranford's phone records from that day. The jury heard from a total of 7 witnesses brought in by the state, including the GBI agent assigned to the case, who says he attempted to contact Cranford 4 times prior to the day of his arrest. The jury also heard from Cranford himself, who says he had no idea the GBI was going to arrest him back in August. All of this brought the jury back with a verdict of not guilty on both counts.
I want to thank the jury for the verdict and listening to the facts and coming to the truth. And I want to thank the citizens of Thomson, and hopefully I can go back to work tomorrow and finish the work that I've started.
Now, I also spoke with the DA, who says his office, the jury, and law enforcement all did their jobs, and this is a result of it. The DA says he wishes Mayor Cranford well as he continues his duties as mayor. Now, I also asked Mayor Cranford what's next for him, and he pointed to the Government Center building over there and said that he's going to be back there tomorrow morning doing the job he says the city of Thomson elected him to do.
And it'll be interesting to see those days moving forward for the mayor there. Thank you for staying on top of this, Sydney. To weather